You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong.
Hey everybody, my name is Joycelyn Stewart. I'm the education specialist here at Ogle 5H. My goal here is to help you connect the dots in this curriculum so that you can be successful in this beauty industry. Welcome to our school.
And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step in.
Hi, my name is Miss Russell, and what I enjoy the most about teaching Phase 4 and 5 is career readiness. We're making sure that they're ready for their state board practicals. We're encouraging them to become industry professionals here at Ogle School.
Hi, my name is Kevin Small. I'm a recent alumni of Ogle 5A. What I love about this campus is that they taught me everything I wanted to know. They were very open and supportive about everything. I was recently spotlighted on the Ogle Talent page, and it just gave me a boost of confidence and just made me believe that I can do more in this industry. So thank you, Ogle 5A.
What I love about teaching Phase 1 aesthetics here at Ogle Stafford is I get to hone in on their excitement. I get to ensure that the foundation is laid for all things skin, to ensure that when they phase up in the program that they are confident in what they're doing.
And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you...
Good afternoon, I'm Diane. I'm the clinic service manager, and I love Ogle. I love what it gives to our students. It gives them the opportunity to learn what they're going to expect in the real world, how to handle customers, how to handle their salons, and how to prepare themselves for a successful future.
Hello, I am Bridget Shaw, Assistant School Director here at Ogle Stafford Campus. Thank you for coming by. We hope to see you soon. Have a great day.